5 steps to conduct a website audit for better performance. A website audit is a critical process that helps identify issues and opportunities for improvement in your website's design, content, and functionality. By performing a thorough audit, you can uncover potential problems that may be impacting your website's performance and take corrective actions to improve its overall effectiveness. In this article, we'll walk you through 5 key steps for conducting a website audit. Evaluate your website's design and user experience. Start by reviewing your website's design and user experience. Is it visually appealing, intuitive, and easy to navigate? Does it load quickly and work well on different devices? Evaluate the user interface and design elements, such as fonts, colors, images, and buttons. Make sure your website is optimized for mobile devices and that all the links and buttons work correctly. Analyze your website's content. Next, take a closer look at your website's content. Check for broken links, duplicate content, and missing images or videos. Evaluate the quality of your content and make sure it is engaging, informative, and relevant to your target audience. Use tools like Google Analytics to analyze the behavior of your website visitors and identify the pages that are generating the most traffic. Assess your website's SEO performance. Search engine optimization, SEO, is critical for improving your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. Evaluate your website's SEO performance by checking for title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and keywords. Ensure that your website is optimized for local SEO by adding location-specific information and using Google My Business. Review your website's security and speed. Website security and speed are essential factors that affect user experience and search engine ranking. Review your website's security by checking for HTTPS protocol, SSL certificates, and firewall protection. Analyze your website's speed using tools like Google Page Speed Insights and GTmetrix, and optimize it by compressing images, minimizing HTTP requests, and removing unnecessary plugins or scripts. Monitor your website's performance and make improvements. After conducting a thorough website audit, keep monitoring your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. Regularly review the results and make improvements based on your findings. Identify areas that need improvement and create a plan for implementing changes. Remember to prioritize the issues that will have the most significant impact on your website's performance. A website audit is a crucial step in optimizing your website's performance and ensuring that it is delivering the best possible user experience. By following the 5 steps outlined above, you can identify and address issues that are hindering your website's success.